Know the bad transmission mount in Volvo XC90 from Corpus Christi mechanic. Transmission mounts in a small part in the Volvo XC90 which is responsible for managing the weight of the transmission. Isolate the engine vibrations. Fluid-filled transmission mounts are keeping the vibrations at a minimum level. Small leaks in the transmission system and fail the transmission mount, and cause unwanted noises, impact driving comfort, affect engine performance. In general, the leaks from the transmission system are generally caused due to climatic effects, time and mileage, road salt, moisture. Below points will help you to determine the bad transmission mounts in the Volvo XC90. Stiff chassis. When the transmission mounts are failed, many parts begin to deteriorate, such as door hinges, weather seals, make creaking noise. Worn mounts put an adverse effect on the engine stability and make the door panels misaligned. Strange noises. While driving the Volvo, you will hear a loud strange noise due to bad transmission mounts. Some of the noises produced from the Volvo XC90 were heard during the acceleration. Engine bumping. In general, the transmission mounts are designed in such a way to reduce the noises, manage the vibrations, harshness. When it fails, it will cause unstable engine movements and damage transmission components. Unusual shaking. Sign of bad transmission mount is the unsettling sound repetitively produced from the car. Rocking back of the front wheel drive indicating the bad transmission mount. Damaged components. Bad transmission mounts impact other components of the transmission attached to it, such as wires, hoses. When you notice any damages, inspect all components to determine the issues. Conclusion. Bad transmission mounts will put a negative impact on several parts of Volvo XC90. People living in Corpus Christi contact a mechanic to replace the transmission mounts. Thank you.